thoughts my dramatic husky has during bath time.
Oh my goodness. Of course, Missy does that.
The dog said to its dad, "I can jump like this all day."
Of course, Missy does that.
The rescue failed because the hero is literally tiny.
Scooter, swim.
Bruh.
Swim.
Why do I feel like this dog is apologizing rather than swimming? A few minutes of energy intake to continue the battle. This is the cutest potato I have ever seen.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Bruh.
The dog is so greedy that it could eat the entire food box. He acted as if it wasn't his fault.
Doente. Próspera, pode furar. Sabe, meu filho.
Calma, acabou, né?
Aê, aê.
Normally, he's a playful dog until he sees the needle. A mischievous English bulldog gave his owner the runaround at their Texas home when he stole a box from the groceries and took off.
Oh my God! What is that?
What the dog doing?
The cat's face looks like, "Don't worry, this happens all the time."
My dog will not let me in the room.
This dog is very angry that his mom took his toy. No toy, no talking. Mom said you're grown up now and should act gently, but you didn't believe.
Oh my God!
You're not gonna get anything.
Don't mind them. Tall people often act like that. If you're holding food, never let your guard down.
This commercial gets my dog every time.
Bruh.
Where'd it go?
I bet these TELUS ads are tricking dogs all around the world.
Excuse me. You gotta move. Ladies, you gotta move. Come on. You gotta let me in. My love. Baby.
angry. It's okay.
So dramatic, but I love it. I guess in his past life, he was a deer who loved to run and jump.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about.
This guy has no idea that his mom is in the room and hopes she won't notice his strange behavior.
Hello. Hi.
Corwin, stop. This bastard.
Always be careful when you're around two big dogs wrestling with each other.
Hey, Belle. Belle, do you have a secret? You do? Are you gonna tell me what it is? You're not gonna tell me? Belle?
It seems like dogs love socks. I think this guy could do this and take one as payment.
No. What the dog doing?
If you are also the owner of a golden retriever, can you tell me if your dog behaves like this?
People!
How sweet. I wish I could be welcomed like that too. Is your dog a dramatic one every time they go to the vet? I'm ready to buy front row VIP tickets to see this adorable dog's concert.
Wakey, it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Hi, excuse me, I had an appointment for today. Oh, okay.
That's the face of someone about to cry because it was my first day of school when I was little.
Ven, chiquita hermosa. Ven, ya me voy.
Oh my God!
Ya me voy a trabajar.
If the dog's dad is standing at the door, how long would it take for the dog to run to him? This guy always looks so busy before going to bed.
Bruh.
Baby, what's happened? Oh, you have it. Oh, it was just a leaf.
Bruh.
It was a leaf on your foot. Are you okay? Oh.
So brave of him to carry on.
What the dog doing?
They act like they're absolutely sure they'll get a meal. All they have to do now is wait.
Bruh.
This dog should be taking out the trash, not the dishes. Watch how the dog goes from crying to happy as soon as his mom starts complimenting him.
Wow, cowboy, good squeaking. You're the best squeaker.
Hi,
That dog is going to make his Labrador ancestors question their legacy.
You want to go outside?
He's like, "Oh yes, I'm ready now." This husky dog cried for nearly half an hour due to a failed struggle and had to go to the vet. The dog looks really confused by the sudden kiss from Mom.
Look at those little legs. Why do you sit like that?
Why do you do this to him? Why? He doesn't want your vajayjay on his face.
If the car ride is too boring, let's practice some vocal exercises together. If you think your house needs more excitement, try getting a husky.
What's wrong? What do you mean? I'm not gonna get out. What are you doing? Fool, I'm trying to nap. Oh, let's point that thing somewhere else.
Don't eat that plant. You're not allowed to eat plants. Ow. You're always picking on me. Let's go. Hey, see, everybody's on your side. Everybody says I have to be nicer. Everybody says I have to be nicer to you, but you're picking on me.
No.
Sometimes there are things right in front of you, but you can never reach them.
Enséñale. Ya, Gabriela, tú. Venga. Ven. Venga. Mira, Gabriel, es así, mira.
Small dogs are like babies. They need to be taught little by little.
Bruh.
This is how they work as a team.
Sit. Hey, good boy. Oh, Michael! There he goes. He just took off fucking running.
It seems like the injured leg doesn't affect his playtime with his friend at all.
Your dog doesn't like you playing. It's cool.
Bruh.
That was mean.
He acts as if he's the one who bought it.
He doesn't want his brother playing in it either.
Hang on, baby. Grandma's coming to take you for a ride. The little dog deserves the title of the best guard dog in the world.
Oh my fucking god, shitballs! Are you fucking broken? What was that look? There's a fucking holy water on your ass. Jesus!
I believe her dad hired this dog to watch over his daughter.
You're older and...
She's the one to pay for it.
You're older and crippled.
She's the one to pay for it. She wants to sit in the chair, she can sit her.
This little guy is risking it all to play fetch.
He's waiting patiently.
You got a customer over here.
He's waiting patiently. He's waiting patiently.
The dog could be the most patient customer at the bank.
This made my day.
Hey, what happened?
This is the first tax you have to pay when you step into the store.
What is that?
You shouldn't do exercises that are too intense for your body.
No! There's Melanie.
Bruh.
That's a shame, she was really nice.
It's great when someone has learned how to share food and drinks.
You are my best friend. If I'm dying, you dying with me. Ain't no choice. Hell, you are my best friend.
Deborah, help me. I need help. Come here. Come here. Come here. Deborah, help. Come here.
Bruh.
Deborah, come here.
This dog is the real-life version of me during a crisis.
Bruh.
Hard work. Hard work. Hard work.
Hard work.
Hard work.
Hard work. Work. Hard work. Work.
Huh?
Hard work.
When?
Oh my God.
He's worked really hard, so I'm thinking of hiring him to dig a pool for me at the rate of 4 cookies per hour. Even though it's nap time for him, the 2 kids in the house don't seem to care. He looks really angry. Although this dog is small, his love is certainly immeasurable.
Are you still mad because I called you a honky tonk pachonka chonk? Because I was just kidding. You gotta know that. Okay, well, I'm sorry. I love you. Do you still love me?
I've never seen a dog so eager to make friends like this.
Grant, it's a kiss.
Dog was like, go ahead and see what happens.
Bruh.
Absolutely. Food will make you forget everything around you.
Oh God, it's so good. So good.
Maple, look. No, look over here. Look over here.
Bruh.
Maple, look over here. Maple, look here. Here, Maple, here.
Bruh.
Forget it.
She's giving it her all. She definitely deserves to be rewarded for her effort.
What the dog doing?
Don't worry, he loves being pulled around like that.
No, 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 no.
Oh, come on!
Bruh.
A walk like that is enough. Let's get him an Uber now.
Someone want to go on a car ride?
This dog gave the quickest answer.
No. I am so sorry. What can we do for you? Would you like to lean your head on my shoulder? Oh, no!
Oh my goodness.
I just want to know what the plan is here.
Daddy got you something.
Oh my God!
Bruh.
We have two types of golden retrievers here. One just wants to relax, while the other can't stop moving. It seems like Santa isn't welcome in this house. Is it because they don't like receiving gifts?
Look, it's me. Look, see?
He thinks he's human, and he's not wrong.
So cute, pup. Let me see you smile. Oh, that's such a cute smile. That's such a cute smile, pup. Let me see you smile. Oh, you're so handsome. So handsome. Let me see you smile. Yeah. A pretty smile.
This dog has such a great smile, doesn't it?
Let me see you smile. Yeah, it's a cute smile.
Sure. Do you want to switch toys?
Bruh.
She had a peaceful morning with her lovely dog. He's like, just present the stick as pasta. We'll work out the rest. One thing is for sure, your dog is definitely not lacking in the ability to make you laugh. From dramatic falls to goofy yet extremely funny expressions, dogs can truly make you laugh until you can't stop. Sometimes, all you have to do is watch them act to see their endless comedic talent.
I will reiterate, I don't know whose dog this is or where she came from.
She is currently the founder of the Best Friend distribution system.
Did you go in the trash can again when I told you not to? This is what happens. Come here. I'll take it off.
Seeing the way he licked his lips, I could tell he had a delicious dinner. The way people argue on social media versus how they act in person. If this isn't love, then what is it? As soon as his owner closes their eyes, he will immediately carry out his secret mission.
Zale, fecha a porta. Isso, boa.
Dora!
Wait, what?
I think his name should be Dala.
I'm working. Nope, I'm working. No, I'm working. I'm working. No. No.
One of the reasons I can't get anything done at home.
No, I'm working. I'm working. No.
Okay, go ahead and jump and oh, dang it. Dang it. Okay, let's try again.
His little hidden treasure. But it seems like everyone can spot it.
Elephant. Let's go, elephant. Let's try again. We're going to run.
Niggas mad nervous. So I can pet him? Oh no? You said no, don't pet him? Oh,
That guy is like, is he really petting me? Oh no, he definitely has treats in his pocket. It's mon temps. Sometimes I wonder if he's a dog or a kangaroo. This is the only way to get some personal space.
Squeak, come on. Alright, come join Dad. Okay. Alright, thanks. Hi, Squeak. Thanks for coming and joining me, baby. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, she pretty much hangs out with me every time I come use the bathroom. This is how it is.
Absolutely. No matter where you are, your dog will never leave your side. No matter how the dog acts, it could never fully express his affection for this man. They say dogs share the personalities of their owners, and I believed it when I witnessed this scene. Nap time after running around the yard like crazy. Does your dog bite? No, he slaps. This is the smartest dog I've ever met. Someone crashed their golf cart into my car, so I checked the cameras and saw this. Although he wanted to save his father, he was also afraid of getting hurt himself.
Ice cream? 早上好，中国！现在我要冰淇淋，我喜欢冰淇淋。
Oh, it seems this dog also loves Bing chilling. When you think you've got everything under control and then...
Holy f***, these rocks are hot. Ah.
He knows how to make the game more exciting. I think I have a lot to learn from him. Absolutely true. It's hard to keep a golden retriever out of the water, especially when there are ducks around.
What's wrong?
It's just a baby.
His courage is inversely proportional to his appearance. The dog must be thinking it's having a weird but joyful moment in its life. The best customer service I've ever seen. A way to keep a dog and a man busy. Do you have a better idea?
Jameson, let Mama work. Let's Mama work. Quit closing my laptop. You are sassy.
I'm sorry I couldn't submit my homework
Jameson,
because my dog
let
got
Mama
bored of
work.
me doing it.
Let's Mama work. Quit closing my laptop.
How many?
The way he carries the dog, and the dog is completely content with it. They've successfully become friends. The dog seemed unable to believe her eyes. She even had to look 3 times to be sure. It's so exhausting living with humans. Don't worry, he enjoys being dragged like that. Sometimes he acts like he doesn't know what exhaustion is. Whatever the kids do, he wants to do it too. Onsum, can you really enjoy your meal without sharing? Don't forget we're best friends. He planned to learn a dance, but it seems the start isn't going too smoothly. I am watching TV. Please let me have some peace.
Are you kidding me? Are you serious?
Bring the tray here quickly and put the food in for us.
Are you kidding me?
Look at Mama. Look at Mama.
He's so... Dole, don't touch me. Go play with whatever you're holding.
Oh, he's so bad. He doesn't even want
Put it, good boy.
A trustworthy partner.
Put it, good boy.
It's time to say goodbye. Thank you for watching the entire video. We hope you had a relaxing and enjoyable time. If you liked our video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we upload new videos. See you in the next video.